Can we say TikTok private accounts video? Hello everybody, welcome back. In today's video we are going to find out, so let's just start. So for that, you may open up TikTok, and once you are there you may go ahead and locate up the account. So for example, let's say this person. So as you can see, this person's account is private, and he or she may have posted a video. So if you're trying to view that video, even if their account is private, unfortunately, you cannot do that. So in order to view their private account, you need to go ahead and follow that person back. And once the person accepts the request, then only you will be able to view their profiles video, the ones they have posted. So TikTok has a privacy settings that allows users to make their account private. That means only the people they approve can view their videos. So if you come across a private account and you're wondering how to view their videos, you cannot do it. So you need to respect other people's privacy. So that's it for now. I hope this video was helpful, and thank you for watching this video, and we will see you on the next one.